In this video, you'll learn how to change your cPanel password on Namecheap in a clear, simple way. Keeping this password up to date is really important for your website's security, so we'll walk through each step slowly and make sure everything is easy to follow. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you need to log in to your cPanel account. The most common way to do this is by going to your domain name followed by /cPanel in your browser's address bar. For example, type your domain, add /cPanel at the end, then press enter. This should bring up the cPanel login page. Here, enter your current cPanel username and password, and then click the button to log in. If you're already logged in through your hosting account dashboard, you might be taken into cPanel automatically, and you can continue from there. Once you're inside cPanel, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your username or a small profile icon. This is where your account-related options are located. Move your cursor to that username or profile icon and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few different choices related to your account settings. From that drop-down menu, select the option labeled Password and Security. This is the section where you can safely update your cPanel login password. Clicking this will open a new page with a simple form dedicated to changing your password. On this page, you'll see a field asking for your old or current password. Type in the password you're using right now to log in to cPanel. This step is important because it confirms that you're the account owner and prevents unauthorized users from changing your credentials. Below that, you'll find the fields for your new password. In the first box, enter the new password you want to use. In the second box, you'll need to confirm that same password by typing it again exactly the same way. Take your time here and make sure both entries match, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any special characters. For the best security, choose a password that's strong and unique. Avoid using easy-to-guess words, simple patterns like 1 to 34, or anything that includes your name or common personal details. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually best. If cPanel offers a password generator on this page, you can use it to create a secure password and then save it somewhere safe, like a trusted password manager. After you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, look for the button that says Change Your Password Now. When you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and click that button. cPanel will process your request and update your login details. Once the change is complete, you may be logged out of cPanel and asked to log in again. This is normal. Just use your username with the new password you created. If you can sign back in successfully, that confirms your password has been updated. That's all you need to do. I'll show you the easiest way to keep your account safe from now on. Remember to store your new password securely and avoid sharing it with anyone. By regularly updating your cPanel password, you add an extra layer of protection to your website and hosting account.